you pay the government, it is called tax. When you borrow from someone, it's debt. When you borrow from bank, it's loan. In court, it's fine. To get the pass, it's called the exam. Employer to workers, it is salary. In marriage, it's called dowry. To children, it's pocket money. Thank you. If you like our content, please give us claps.